Hi, welcome back to part 5 of Clicker Game. So if you haven't watched part 4, 3, 2 or 1, it will be in the link in the description. So right now we have this. As you can see, we got raining money, we have the impact when it hits the ground. We also have a cash number counter and a gold number counter, and if you go in full screen, get 1,200, we can buy upgrades. And we can buy these infinitely. And we can convert cash into gold bars, as you can see. So yeah, but I actually wanted to properly redesign this coin, maybe, or maybe just have another costume or something, because I really wanted to change a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of like that. This is not actually comparison of this doesn't actually change the game. I'm just making it look better a little bit. So yeah, okay, I just did that. Just gonna save that. So now I was wanting to make an upgrade right now, so I'm just going to duplicate this coin machine and I'm just going to disconnect, and I'll probably make it go here, so like about -66. Yeah, -66, and I'll just delete this. And I just delete that as well. And I feel like after a coin machine, I should do, let's just say, a coin facility. Yeah, maybe a coin facility. Yeah, I'll probably make a coin facility. So I'm just gonna color this gray and maybe a little bit blue. Okay, like that. And I'm gonna make like a little up thing here, and I will make some white bits. Okay, never mind. Make some white bits. Okay, like that. And I might actually copy this again. Just copy, and I'll just go back here. I'm just gonna paste this, and I'm going to shrink this down a little bit and rotate it like that. So that's the sign. So yeah, I think I finished my one here. So I'm going to go to text, color this white, but you can do whatever color you want, and I'll just do coin facility. Right? Oh wait, I forgot the Y. Coin facility. Okay, that's coin facility, and I'll make the cost like about 1,200 cash. And I will make this maybe only 20, but per 0.5 seconds. 0.5 sec. So like that, and I'll just shrink this down. So now my upgrade looks like that. So I am going to make this 1,199. Okay, not 1,199. That, and minus this by 1200, and we're going to make a new variable, and I'll just name this coin facility, and I'll just hide that, and we'll change coin facility by 20 then. By 20, we're going to broadcast coin facility, and when I receive coin facility, and we'll grab the coin machines and delete that, and grab coin facility instead and replace it. So now, if you go full screen, get 1200 cash, buy this. Oh yeah, I forgot, reconnect the codes, so let me just start again. Press it, got 0 cash. I'm getting 20 every single 0.5 seconds. I can just keep on buying this right here. And I can just keep on buying this gold bars. You know what? I'm going to make a special upgrade for the game that costs gold bars. So I am going to duplicate this and disconnect, and I'll put it here. Yeah, like about that. And wait, what's the, so minus 137. Yeah, like that, and I'll just make that 20. Yeah, 20, and go to costumes, and I would say a super cursor. So basically this cursors, but then super. So I'm just going to delete all this. And I'll just go to my cursors. I'll just go to my cursors upgrade, and I'm just going to duplicate this. I'll only duplicate the side. Go like this, and I'll just copy, and I'll just redo this and go back here and paste. And I'll fill this with white. But I feel like I want to paint the edges red, so it's a super cursor. And I'll probably make this a little bit thicker, like that. And then, since it's a special upgrade, I'm gonna color the text a bit yellow. And I'll just do this super cursors. Okay, maybe I spelled cursor wrong. Right, super cursors, and I'll just do this, and the cost will be, let's say 5 gold bars, and it's gonna have 100 cash per sec, and that's, so if it's 100 cash, I'll probably make this 8 gold bars. Just shrink that down, and there. And I forgot to write cash, so I'm just gonna write cash like that. So yeah, now we're gonna replace the cash over here with gold bars. So if gold bars is greater than 7, change gold bars by 8, actually minus 8. And we're going to have a new variable. This one's going to be super cursors. Super cursors, and boom. And we'll just hide that, and we'll change super cursors by 100. And we'll make a new message. Just name that super cursors, and select this when I receive super cursors. And I'm just going to change 1.2 secs to 1 second. Replace the coin facility with gold bars, and we'll reconnect this. Yeah, we'll reconnect this. Oh yeah, I forgot. The coin facility is supposed to be 0.5. Sorry. So now, if we go here, we'll buy this. It goes a little bit faster. That's weird. That's going up a lot, isn't it? Yep, change cash by coin facility if cash is more than... Is there something wrong with this? Actually, change cash by gold bars. No, change cash by super cursors. Yeah, this looks fine. And, well... Let me try again. It's going up by... Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot, guys. I forgot. We're going to set the coin facility to 0. And let's set the super cursors to 0 as well. So now, if you buy it, it's already getting 20 every single time. And if you reset, there's no more. So now, let's just convert this into 8 gold bars. Yeah, I got 8 now. Buy this. And now, we should be getting 100 every single second. So yeah, that's this. So, I think I would end the episode here. Well, the series of how to make a clicker game. So this will be my complete clicker game. And yeah, if you want to see it, if you want to see this project, then check it out in the description below. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.